Thinking of selling your home and you're just not sure where to start? Well, here's 5 ways to prepare your home for sale. If you're new here, my name's Ryan Hensey. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team with Keller Williams here in Tulsa, and we serve the Tulsa community, of course, and the surrounding areas as well. So whether you're looking to move now or in the future, I would love to help you make that smooth move, whether locally or from out of state. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video, and like and subscribe for more, and share this with a friend if you find it helpful. So here's 5 ways to help you prepare your home for sale and make sure that you have a smooth selling process. First up, selling your home can be an exciting yet challenging endeavor. To ensure that you get the best possible price and a quick sale, it's essential to prepare your home properly. The way you present your property can significantly impact potential buyers' first impressions and their decision to make an offer. Here are the top 5 best ways to prepare your home for sale. Clean and declutter. The first step in preparing your home for sale is to give it a thorough cleaning. This includes not only the obvious areas like the kitchen and bathrooms, but also less conspicuous spaces like closets, the garage, and the basement. A clean home suggests that it has been well maintained and cared for. Simultaneously, decluttering is also crucial. Removing personal items, excess furniture, and any unnecessary clutter from your living spaces. A clutter-free home feels more spacious and allows potential buyers to envision their own belongings in the space. You're also going to want to make necessary repairs. Before listing your home, take care of any needed repairs and maintenance tasks. Fix leaky faucets, replace cracked tiles, repair chipped paint, and address any electrical or plumbing issues. A well-maintained home not only looks better, but also reassures buyers that they won't inherit a host of problems after the purchase. Enhancing curb appeal. And this is a big one. The exterior of your home is the first thing that potential buyers see, so it's essential to make a good first impression. Consider painting the front door, cleaning or replacing the mailbox, and adding some fresh landscaping. A manicured lawn, trimmed hedges, and colorful flowers can greatly enhance your curb appeal. And also, don't forget to repair any cracks in the driveway or walkways and ensure that outdoor lighting is functional. Neutralize and depersonalize. While your personal style may be a significant part of your home's charm, it's essential to create a neutral canvas for potential buyers. This means repainting walls in neutral tones, removing those bold wallpapers, and taking down overly personal decorations or artwork. The goal is to make your home appealing to a broad range of tastes and preferences. Depersonalizing also involves removing family photos, religious items, and any items that might distract buyers from focusing on the features of your home itself. Next, we're going to talk about staging your home. Home staging is the art of arranging your furniture and decor to showcase your home's best features and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Properly staged homes often sell faster and for higher prices as they help buyers see the full potential of the space. Remember that less is often more in staging, so remove unnecessary furniture and decor to create a spacious and open feeling. To sum it all up, preparing your home for sale is a strategic process that can significantly impact the outcome of your sale. By cleaning, making necessary repairs, enhancing curb appeal, neutralizing and depersonalizing, and staging your home, you can create an attractive and welcoming environment that appeals to a wide range of potential buyers. If you follow these steps, it will increase your chances of a quick and successful sale, allowing you to move on to your next adventure with peace of mind. So there you have it, 5 ways to prepare your home for sale. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with a friend who might get some benefit from it, and leave me a like and subscribe for more real estate content as well as local content as well. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one, but don't forget to leave me a comment below. What was your favorite part about this video, and what are some other things about real estate that I could expound on more in more videos in the future? Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.